Welcome to Malagos Garden Resort. So this is our next stop after Philippine Eagle Center. So we are here in Malagos and it's only 5 minutes away from Philippine Eagle to Malagos Resort. Malagos is known for ecotourism activities. The Malagos Garden Resort covers an area of 12 hectares. It is accredited as a farm tourism site by the Government Department of Tourism. It is known for Chocolate Museum, Orchids Farm, and Chocolate Spa. Malagos means strong flow of water. Malagos takes its name from Malakas na Agos, which means strong flow of water. Malagos Garden Resort is located in Barangay Malagos, Baguio District, Davao City. It is a perfect place to unwind and take a break from the hustle and bustle city life while seeking to reconnect with nature. Yes. They have bird feeding, butterfly sanctuary, petting zoos, and even occasional animal shows that will surely catch the heart of animal lovers. How to get there? If you are in downtown, take an L301 bound to Kalinan and they leave every 15 minutes. Travel time takes around 45 minutes. Then upon arrival, ride a motorcycle or a tricycle to Malagos Garden Resort. If you ride a taxi, then hail a taxi or book with an app and tell the driver that you're going to Malagos Garden Resort. The estimated rate for one-way trip is 400 to 700 pesos. And if you have your own car, just navigate with Waze or Google Map and set your destination to Malagos Garden Resort. Then there you go.
That's it?
Bird feeding dome. Get up and personal with over 20 species of birds. You can also buy bird seeds to feed lovebirds.
Oh,
There you go. They know.
nice.
They know it's empty.
Wow, they're coming.
You got some in your hand, Daisy?
No, I gotta put my stuff down.
I know it. All the little guys got it first. Oh, he sees it in my hand over here.
Yala. See? Yeah, he poop. Pop, look.
Is he pooping on you?
Yes, look.
How cool is that, eh?
The unique experience in this bear dome is that the birds are people-oriented. They don't find strangers as a threat anymore to their territory. In fact, they love seeing new people, being fed with treats, and taking photos with them. Malagos have 45 minutes bird show runs on weekends at 10 o'clock in the morning.
I get one to land on my head. It's so cool.
Yeah.
You guys want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Guys, feet are so
Okay.
soft. Oh, he wants to treat first. This one is natural. I don't know. He's leaving me alone.
Next, Gracie. No. Take picture of Gracie.
Yeah, you guys go first.
Yes.
By the way, Alex, there you go. I like it.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
Take picture of Alex, Papa.
I don't want to drop them.
Oh, they have wings. You can't drop them.
He's waiting.
Huh?
He's waiting.
I was gonna give it to this guy.
Oh.
Ay na, that's too big, guwapo.
Just figuring it out.
Kopalok.
It's a hot day, I know.
Pwede man din magpakaon.
I know. Goats in America would bite you.
You do it, I'll film you.
Okay. It starts filming.
Just give it to me.
Pwede shake kapon. Yeah. Nice.
Pretty horse.
This is an educational guide tour from the cacao farmer, and you can see up close and personal each of the cacao trees and some of local farmers at work.
Fake.
Yeah, they're red when they're in the tree, right?
In here, we can walk you through the intricate process of the chocolate bars, discover what it takes to make your favorite local flavors into sweet soft by nature, learn about the different colors of cacao, and make your own Malagos chocolate at the end of the tour to take home. Malagos Chocolate was commercially launched in June 2013 and began producing other chocolate products. Recently, Davao City was declared as the cacao capital of the Philippines. The declaration was made following the consistent production of high-quality beans in Davao region that has contributed more than 70% of the national production. Malagos makes their chocolate from the tree bar. This means that each stage of the process from planting the trees to harvesting the cacao beans, post-harvest processing, grinding, and production into a chocolate bar is done under their control.
Make an assortment, if you can.
Only 3 toppings.
Oh, three, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. I mean, salt is always nice. Everybody loves a pecan.
Let them choose.
Oh, she asked. Or cashews even better.
Indulge the first and only chocolate museum in the country. The museum has 4 interactive installations, including the chocolate bar, where you can enjoy various Malagos chocolate treats, and Malagos Chocolate Laboratory, where you can make your own chocolates, and explore the wonder of cacao and chocolate making.
Do that one.
About a handful. Salted first, so it's on top when you pop
I
it
know,
out.
that's what I was thinking. How can I do that? Yeah.
Before you fill your next three, Alex, sprinkle some salt in first on the last three or whatever. Just say add some salt in on top.
I was gonna put it last.
Yeah, nice and easy, but not too much.
I know, it keeps falling from my nails. Just pinch a little bit.
Up and do this into your palm, and then just kind of makes it a little more even. That's all. I guess you don't really have the fingers to do that either.
Remove some of the other one po po.
It's okay. It's fine.
Just pour it into that one. Or push it into that one.
So after making your own chocolates, they will freeze it for 30 minutes to 1 hour to make it ready and eatable.
Okay, yeah, that'll be good. Okay.
Bitter? Sweet.
No, it's good.
So here is a butterfly sanctuary. Malagos Resort has a stunning butterfly sanctuary that is worth the visit. In a large net dome, you can interact with and observe over 15 species of butterflies. You will see them in every stage in life from an egg to an adult butterfly.
Egg. 1, 2, 3. The larva.
Yeah, my mother raises them in her basement, then she tags them and sets them free.
Oh.
Marvel at the beauty of over 10 species of butterflies, including the paper kite butterfly, the most abundant species in the dome. Did you know butterflies can be found in all countries around the world except Antarctica where it's too cold? Trivia. According to an Indian legend, if anyone desires for a wish to come true, they must first capture a butterfly and whisper one wish. In gratitude for giving the butterfly its freedom, the wish will be taken to the heaven and granted. Museo de Mariposa. Immerse yourself in the world of butterflies and learn about their life cycle and importance in the ecosystem. The museum features 32 out of 45 butterfly species found in Davao City. Inside, you'll see the different interactive display that showcase the importance of the butterflies, which are considered the world's major pollinators. Among their most popular exhibits are the butterflies that are carefully preserved in a wooden frames and hung on a wall. This exhibit allows visitors to get closer look to a various species so you can see the different wing patterns and wingspans. Just beside the butterfly garden is the Museo de Mariposa. It is when you can explore the archive of different preserved butterflies. Aside from this top attraction, Malagos Garden Resort offers a wide array of amenities, including swimming pool, a petting zoo, a hydroponic garden, a herbs garden, and a skate park.
Yeah, happy goats now, huh?
You can feed the animals at the petting zoo and bird feeding dome. For only 50 pesos, you can make the animals happy and full. My guapo fiance really loves here in Malagos and we can't wait to come back. It's definitely worth the visit, especially if you have young children. So this is the finished product of the chocolate that they made and it's really good. Malagos chocolate. Hello.
Good morning. I'm Buntag.
Yes. So we went yesterday to Malagos and Philippine Eagle.
Yes, yeah, very good day yesterday. That Philippine eagle is huge. What a beautiful bird.
Yes.
And they've got so many of them on display over there. It was really interesting to see. And the Malagos was great too. That was a very fun adventure.
Yeah. We didn't watch the bird show, but it's very nice.
Yeah, the bird show wasn't available, but the bird dome was open and we got to feed little parrots and cockatiels and lovebirds, and what a great time that was. We got some cool footage to show.
And then feed the goat.
Yeah, the kanding.
The kanding. So nice.
Yes, that was a great time. Yeah, Malagos Resort and the Philippine Eagle yesterday, very nice. And the chocolate museum at Malagos.
Yes.
The chocolate out here is delicious.
Yes, you can make chocolates and like you pay for 199 to make 2 boxes of chocolates.
Yeah. And the girls made chocolates and they came out really good. They were delicious.
We tried
one.
it yesterday and it's good.
Yeah, so creamy.
It's cacao. Made in cacao.
Yeah, delicious. Like a 65% dark chocolate
Yes,
cacao. Yeah,
yes. Show them
right off the trees too. So fresh.
Show them the chocolate.
Oh yeah, it's in the fridge.
I think it's already.
Yeah, you want me to get it?
Yeah. I think it's already hard.
It was a little melty yesterday. It's hot here in the Philippines.
Yeah, no, it's hard. Let's try one.
And these are little bears and animals or something.
And it has the Malagos chocolate.
Cacao. That's the cacao fruit
Yeah, cacao.
where the nuts come from.
And then, you wanna try?
Yeah, you want to share one?
Yeah.
It's a little early. This one has, is that a marshmallow in the middle?
Yes.
Yeah, they put, would they have cashews in some, salted, rock salt in some, and then marshmallows.
If you go to
That's good.
Malagos, you can make a chocolate. And also a Philippine Eagle cup, very nice. Good.
Yeah, let me eat.
We enjoy our day yesterday.
Yeah, very good. Try to have another good day today.
Yeah, so please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget.
Yes.
share, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you. And for more videos, click the notification bell.
So you don't miss a thing.
Bye.
Bye.